are about 4 dances on a Wednesday alone. I swear we're playing catch up. Anyways, from a dance to the next big thing, Richie Rich chats with the very unique Magic Flute.
Intense fine star fine intense. Right now with that person, with the one and only Magic Flute. Magic Flute.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Only for blessings in my family. They are going with it, you know?
So it's sweet.
Everybody saying.
So before we go to the interview, bro, may I ask you one question?
Yes, sir.
Magic Flute. How you come by that name, man?
Alright, I didn't want to play the flute as I was saying.
Yeah.
But I never get to play it. So, I better just give me the name, the Magic Flute, you know?
3 things about yourself and your music style.
Well, first of all, my music is positive. You see me?
Yeah.
And you don't know my style, reggae. We mix it with different type of flair in it still, you know? The vibe there. And next thing, we just have to push the music further. Yes, sir.
How you come about that song?
Well, you told me see one bag of foolishness are going in the world, you know. Children are get captivated by pedophile too often, you see? So somebody have to make a sound.
Yes, so you're the voice of the people then basically.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we noticed that most of your songs are based off the genre of reggae. And over the years, being seen you do it and you're not really straight after the part. What keep you grounded to the reggae vibe?
We have to keep everything positive. So because I'm born in the reggae, we do dancehall too, you know, but we still do positive dancehall. Everything what we do is positive. So at the end of the way, we have to spread a positive message. And you know, reggae is a positive music, so that's all.
Alright, so you mentioned born in reggae. As in you have people like family, like the music before you?
Yes, sir. My father.
The father, who's the father?
Father named Lascelles Beckford. We call him Gitsy, you know. He usually have a band named Crucial Vibes. So, you know, from there, so.
And that's how you start off a journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So father one of basically your biggest motivators.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So you don't know, so basically in music where everybody have one style, talent and pattern.
Yeah.
What make you stand out?
Well, because me always come with different messages, you know. So message where we open up people's eyes.
What's we blood? Like, fans want to know what's we blood?
Alright, we blood. It's a concept.
Yeah.
You see me? So when you do foolishness, yeah, we blood. Say, I will build a concept of the crime and violence. You see me? So watch out now. Too much people are dead in Jamaica. Not even Jamaica alone, but worldwide. But as you can see, each and every year, the crime rate rise in Jamaica. So, them things they look upon and say, yo, them are we below.
Who have you look up to in the music industry that actually give you that stance to push yourself out there?
You don't know, Lucian is a great icon too, you know.
Great Lucian.
Yes, man. So we respect Lucian. We respect every artist.
But Lucian one man where set a trend there, he decides to yo.
Yeah, man. We put a respect for Lucian name.
Yeah, man. So lastly, what makes Magic Flute intense?
Hello.
Well, you don't know, Magic Flute have him different style, jovial and all the time, you know.
Yeah.
It just intense them way there.
So positive vibe.
Positive vibe.
Yeah, man.
See him,
so, Magic Flute, next big thing.
What was up?